Dinex is your one-stop shop for aftermarket components for the heavy-duty truck industry. We have parts that go from turbo to tailpipe, but that's not enough for us. What we want to make sure is that we exceed your expectations for quality, for availability, and for our sheer range of parts.
That's why we have one of the most completed, user-minded, and intuitive e-commerce solutions in North American heavy-duty aftermarket. It's more than just a web shop. It's a tool for you to browse, find the right parts, place your orders, or customize your delivery methods as you please.
Our solution has it all: real-time warehouse status, OE references and VIN number lookup, credit card payment, pictures and technical drawings, and order imports from third-party systems. And it works seamlessly across all your devices. And if you have questions, we're never more than a phone call away.
Now let's dive into the powerhouse of our web shop with a hands-on demonstration. Watch closely as we showcase some key features that set Dinex apart as the industry leader in the heavy-duty aftermarket. First up, witness the seamless integration with the online catalog, your gateway to a world of quality truck parts. Flip through the pages, find what you need, and click it straight to your basket. Need a specific part? No problem. Look up your VIN number, select the system, add the part to your basket, and even customize it with accessories, all in a few clicks. Managing multiple orders? We've got you covered. Easily upload a CSV file and let our system take care of the rest.
The website is open to all Dinex customers, and we can get you started in less than 5 minutes. Try it out. It's never been easier to get your hands on quality truck spare parts.